Hey you lovely foodies, today I'm gonna show you the authentic Sabudana cutlets which you can easily enjoy during the fasting days, and I'll be also showing you a very quick and easy dip or chutney to go with it. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's get started. Here I've got this 1 cup of Sabudana or the sago pearls which I'm going to soak. So first I'm going to wash this for about 3 to 4 times until its white cloudy water disappears, as these sabudanas have lots of starchy coating on them which needs to be removed. So I washed it for about 4 times. Now this water is quite clear. I have removed the excess water also. Now we are going to soak it. So for soaking I am using the same measurement, that is the same cup which I use for measuring sabudana. So I am adding 1 cup of water to it, and now you can see the sabudana is fully submerged in the water, but it still has some water level up which is about half an inch. So that's the right way to soak the sabudana. So you can simply follow this same method if you are making sabudana khichdi also. We'll soak this for at least 4 to 5 hours, but overnight is better. So here I've got this soaked sabudana which I had soaked for overnight. You can see it has absorbed all the water. It has become double in volume, and when you press it, it's completely soft from inside and quite dry also. So that's the perfect soaked sabudana. This is ready to be used. To this I am going to add in 2 to 3 boiled and grated potatoes. I always use grated potatoes as it mixes well and gives uniform texture to the sabudana cutlets. But if you want, you can mash the potatoes also. Next goes in some salt. You can also use some rock salt if you are specifically making for fasting. Next goes in some roasted and slightly crushed peanuts. So for this I simply roasted the raw peanuts, removed the skin and have slightly crushed it in a blender, followed by a small piece of ginger. So today I am grating this ginger. If you want, you can also use finely chopped ginger. Next goes in some green chilies finely chopped, about 2 to 3, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, some fresh coriander, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and little powdered sugar, say about 1 teaspoon, to enhance all its flavors. Mix the entire mixture really well with the help of your hands until all the things are well combined with each other, and it should come to a dough-like consistency. So now this basic mixture is ready. I am going to grease my hands and take a small portion of this mixture, say about 4 to 5 tablespoonful, and shape them into patties. So today I am making this round patties, that is round tikkis. If you want, you can also make roundels or oval shaped patties, whichever you like. You can see this is how it looks. This one cutlet or the patty is ready. Keep doing this for all of them until the entire mixture is used up. So now my entire batch is ready. They are nicely rolled and ready. Let them stand just for about 10 minutes at the room temperature, or you can also keep them just for 5 minutes in the fridge so that the excess water evaporates from it, and this will help in making the cutlets very crispy after frying. So I am going to leave this at the room temperature itself for about 10 to 15 minutes. So while the cutlets are resting, meanwhile we'll quickly prepare a fasting chutney or dip to go with it. So in a small blender I am going to add in handful of roasted peanuts, a piece of ginger, 1 to 2 green chilies depending on how much spicy you want, and then 2 tablespoons of fresh dahi or the yogurt. This is plain dahi. I am also adding some salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. Blend everything really well just for a while or until crushed, and after some time you can see the mixture. This is how it looks. It's crushed, but it's not completely crushed. So now to this I am going to add 1 more tablespoon of dahi or the yogurt along with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, and now I am going to again blend it to make a complete smooth puree out of it. So it is done enough. You can see this is how it looks. It's thick flowing dip or chutney. If you want, you can also use 1 or 2 small pieces of fresh coconut if you have handy. That also works really well with this dip. So this fasting chutney or the peanut chutney, it's ready. We'll keep this aside for now. Next, heat oil for frying over medium-high heat. Once heated, I'm going to lower these cutlets into the hot oil in batches. So I'm going to put 2 to 3 at a time. Do not put too many, otherwise they'll get stuck with each other. And the oil should be at consistent medium-high heat. It should neither be too hot or too warm. This will help them to cook from inside as well. Because if the oil is too hot, it will turn very dark from outside, remaining raw inside. And if the oil is too warm, that is less hot, then it will absorb a lot of oil and will become soggy. So I fried these for about 3 to 4 minutes over medium-high flame. These are done enough. I'll show you. This is the perfect golden brown color with the crispy edges. I'm going to remove them onto a kitchen towel. And similarly, I'm going to fry all of them and place them on the kitchen towel. Do this for all the batches. So these beautiful golden fried Sabudana cutlets are ready to enjoy hot with some dip on the side. So this is ready guys, you can enjoy it. And a small tip, make sure to drain the excess water out of the Sabudana, and if you want you can also sieve it. This is very important to get that perfect shape of the vadas and to make them very crispy after frying. So hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.